I'm gonna change the lights on my daughter's '07 Mustang. This is the same as the 2005 to 2009 model. Just grab the side here, just pull down, and it'll just pop right out. If I get on this out. Got two clips, two metal clips. One on the right passenger side, one on the left driver's side, and then the lights. They just pop right out too. That light just come right off there. Just pop the lights out. You know what? There's a clip right here. You can just take the whole light out. Yeah, there you go. Don't do like me. Somehow I got the bulb. There we go. I got it out. I'm gonna change these. I don't know if they're 197s or these lights. But I'm gonna try two different LED lights and see which ones are brighter. Hold up. Let me change those out. Just pop it in there. Ooh, I noticed this one won't fit in there. So I'm gonna have to do some modification there. That light right there won't fit in the hole. But this one over here on this other side. Oh, maybe there you go. There we go. Okay. Now, being as that one won't fit in there, I got a little tool here. If you can see it, pop this clip out. Get my knife and pop that out. Let's see if I can show you here. What is that? So I'm recording this on my phone. What you want to see is trying to pop this. It's like the easiest way. I think you have to pop this little side out first. Yeah. You got two little ones you need to pop out. Okay. Now I'm going to take this light bulb, work it from one side to the other. That's how I come take it out. Pop one side off and the other side will come out. Ow, that hurt. All right. Then I'll just stick that light right in there like so. Okay. See need to work those two right there to pop it out. There we go. And just reverse what you did. Back in. I can see right now that this one's still lit up. That one's not even coming on. What is the deal? Oh, but that's basically how you do it. I might take them lights back out, but that's basically how you do it.